Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check a flight status by the flight number in the United Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the flight status button at the bottom of the page. And at the top, you can select to search for your flight by number, by city, or recent. And you will choose by number this time. So first select the airline. And then provide your flight number, and then provide the departure date. And once you've done that, click on the search button, and your flight will appear on the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.